Hey, welcome back to Enlightened Tutors.
The last sentence says, which of the following systems of inequalities represents the situation in terms of x and y, where x is the number of hours she tutors,
But small error is he buys one. He can buy.
and y is the number of hours she works as a lifeguard.
You just be as good needs happens in this.
Okay. She can work no more than 20 hours per week. No more than 20 hours per week. Well, she has two jobs, tutoring and lifeguarding, which means that these combined can't be more than 20. So when I say these combined, that literally means x plus y, right? Combining them just means adding them. And it can't be more than 20, which means it must be less than or equal to 20. That's one of my inequalities. Knowing that this is correct immediately rules out choice A and choice D. So already down to B and C. This is the second inequality listed in both of those choices, so that's good. Now let's look at that first inequality listed there. The first inequality listed for B and C, they both have a 12x plus a 9.5y. Let's try and figure out what this part means. They're relating it to a 220. The thing that B and C disagree on is whether it's like this or whether it's like this. So let's try to figure that out. This part here represents the total amount of money she's making from both jobs. I can tell that because the tutoring per hour, she makes $12. So if I do 12 times that number of hours, I'm going to get the total amount of money she makes from tutoring. So this right here is money from tutoring. And then for lifeguarding, similarly, she makes $9.50 an hour times y hours means this is the money she's making from lifeguarding. So if we add them together, it should be greater than or equal to 220 because she wants to earn at least $220. Also, side note, just common sense tells you if you're talking about money, more is probably what we want, not less. So this should be the big side. But also the wording specifies she wants to earn at least 220, which means greater than or equal to 220, which means choice C is correct.
For more helpful videos, follow us on TikTok and YouTube.